Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today's video is going to be about lenses, color contact lenses. I'm really excited. These contact lenses are by Mislens. I'm gonna leave the website link in the description down below. You guys need to check these out. I'm really excited about these lenses specifically because there's a few that look really cool. Like, they look realistic. Like, you can see the texture of the eye, and I think that's really cool. Like, that's something that I think I would wear out and about. Most of the times that I have worn contact lenses have been for Halloween looks, or yeah, pretty much that's it, Halloween looks. So I'm excited to try these out. But anyways, without anything else being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So they do come in this a little box like this, and they did send like a little container. I did take them out already, like they're not in here anymore, because I'm trying to make this process a little bit faster because I feel like daylight is running out on me. So I put them out in their container already. Okay, first of all, I cannot start without pointing out a few things that they sent in the package, which is this fun mirror. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this for like when applying the contact lenses and to put on my lashes. Like, that's going to be awesome. So it's this cute mirror right here, and they have jewelry. We got the necklace and the earrings. So of course the image is in their logo, which is what's on the box right here, and they have it right here. That's so cute. I like that it's in white. I like their logo. It's like very mystic. I think of magic when I look at this. It's the necklace right here and the earrings that go with it. There's another product that I need to show you, but I'll show you that at the like almost at the end. Let's go ahead and get started with the lenses. The first pair that I'm going to be trying on is going to be the I Heart Blue, which of course, as the name says it, they are blue contact. Let me put these on. Maybe I shouldn't have done my makeup. Ooh, okay, wow, they're blue, like really blue. Now I'm gonna be real, I don't often use contact lenses, so my eyes are gonna water a bit, okay? Anyways, look how blue they look. This is my normal eye. Wow, I like it. I would have wished to have this when I was doing the Barbie look. That would have been awesome. I can still do it. I can do it again. But look at that. Now, this is what I mean. What I wanted to show you guys that I'm really excited is like the lines that are in it. Like, they make this eye, even though like it's unrealistic blue, like they make it look so cool and almost realistic because of the texture that they do add like with the paint. Like, let me show you. Do you guys see that blue? Do you guys see that texture? How cool is that? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other one. You cannot tell me they don't look cool. Wow, I look 10 times more attractive. Or creepy, maybe. Is there people like with this like intense blue eye? Like, probably not. I don't think there's people with this intense blue eyes. If they are, I don't think those people are real. Wow, I feel like they look really cool. Let me go ahead and show you in natural light. Okay guys, so this is in natural light. I really hope you can see what I'm talking about. Aren't they cool? I think they're super cool. Ooh, excuse my eyelash, like, but look at that. This is what I love about these. Like, I knew I was gonna love the whole like texture that you can see. They look super cool. You guys are gonna hear me say this a lot. Okay, so we're going for another pair. Let's try green. These are literally just named green. Do you want to guess what color they're gonna be? I did try to get like very different colors. Okay, can you tell? It kind of scares me. I like it. I mean, I knew I was gonna like it, but let's look at that. Do you see that? You can see there's a little bit of like like orange. It's more like yellowish, brownish, and the center, I like that the edges are a lot darker. Like, it gives it more dimension. Like, look at that. Hopefully you can see. Of course, I'm gonna show you in natural light. But let me put the other one. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna have my husband take me out for a date with these. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love all of them. Let me show you in natural light. Okay, look at that. Aren't these cool? They're super cool. I feel like the green does suit me better. My skin tone is olive, so I'd assume that the green would like complement it. So from a little bit further, that's exactly how they would look if we were person to person and in natural light. So let me take these off and try the one that I'm really excited for. There is going to be Triumph. Let me show you. I'm excited for these because I think these look creepy but cool. Okay, that will never change, guys. I feel like I'm gonna be freaked out every time. I told you these look creepy. Let me show you. Look at that. But do you guys see how there's like brown, white, gray, and at last the black like on the outside? That looks so cool. Like, I know for sure these would look cool with some dark Halloween makeup look. I love these. I knew I was gonna love these. Like, it's just exciting. I'm excited. And of course, the natural light. Let me put the other one. It was not sticking, but this is how they look together. Again, I apologize for the makeup running out, but like I said, I don't do this often. Let's go get that natural light. Okay, here we have them close up with natural light. Look how cool they look. Can you see that? Look at that. Okay, show you guys. You can really see the texture in these. I love these type of new lenses and I'm really excited for these. Okay, so the last pair is I Heart Gray. Like I told you guys, I did try to get all different colors because we want to see the difference, right? Especially the green and the blue, they're a must. So we have this kind of like whitish gray. The gray is more on the outer side. Wow, it almost blends with my skin tone. That is so cool. Is there people with this color dye? I wonder. Let's get you up close. And of course, this is another one that I really enjoy because it does have that texture, those kind of like veins that you can see the texture within the eye. And by the way, guys, like these lenses, the 4 lenses that I did show you are for brown colored eyes. That means that they're gonna stand out and they're really gonna cover your eye color. I also love these. You can see that in the center they're white and it looks white now, but when I was putting them on it looked a lot more cream, like more like a very light beige color. But obviously once you put them on your eye, the color looks different because it's on top of a darker base, which is your eye. Let me apply the other one. Okay, so this is how they look together. I think these are my favorite. I honestly love these. And like, I have to show you a natural light because natural light is about to leave and I need to do this before it. So okay, back at it. My battery just died, but I really hope you guys can see how cool these look. Look at the texture in that. They look almost natural. I don't know if the color is natural, but the texture that it has, like, it makes it look so natural and cool. And of course, we have a little bit of a further view to see how it would look in real life. Okay guys, what do you guys think? These are definitely my favorites. I see myself wearing these out just because they look so cool. Like, I like them. I love them. Anyways guys, and these are the 4 contact lenses that I did get. I love these. I love every single one of them. I knew I wanted some contact lenses like this, and I'm really glad that all of them were with that texture. I think the green were a little bit less, but they still look cool because it had dimension with color. I love every single pair that I got. They are Mislens soft contact lenses and I am in love with every single one of these. Also, I have to mention that they do have a sale between September 1st and October 31st, and that is about the product that I wanted to let you know previously. So if you purchase the 4 contact lenses, you get a free manicure, which are like these over here. These are really fun, specifically for this time of the year, Halloween. I love that they're so easy to apply on. I can show you a clip right here of me with them on. It didn't take me longer than 5 minutes to apply them, honestly. And also what I love the most is that they were so simple to take off as well. It only required for me to use hot water, and again, that didn't take me longer than 5 minutes, and most importantly, it wasn't painful at all. It does come with several pairs, but let me show you the other sides because it doesn't really show you right here. It does come with a little file to kind of like file your nails a little bit so it could really stick on. It has both sides right here, and it has a little glue patches. This is what makes it so easy to apply on and take off. I think these are really fun if you just want them for a night. It cannot be any easier than that. So as you can see, it has the basic sizes right here, but it does have bigger sizes underneath here, and there's plenty. I'm pretty sure there's like 2-3 manicures in there. I don't know if any of you guys have owned any of these or have bought any of these. I haven't, so I'm excited for this application method, I guess. So this side right here, you apply it to your nail that is ready to go, and then do you see this little handle, right? You can can see it. That little handle makes it easier for you to take it off. So that means you can apply it to every single nail and not be worried about your nails getting stuck anywhere. And then once you're ready, you can just peel it off and apply your nail. So anyways, if you guys want to get any of these for free, you just have to purchase a 4 pair of contact lenses. I mean, if you're interested in the contact lenses, why not get 4 and get this for free? I would. Okay, besides the buy 4 get 1 free gift, which would be the Manicure, we have the other sales, which are like if you purchase 4 you get 3 for free, which means you add 7 to the cart. I mean, why not? That would be awesome. You get your basic colors and you get some fun colors or some cool ones like for Halloween and cosplay. And if that's not enough, they also have buy 5 and get 5 for free. How cool is that? Like how more do you need after that? And you're not gonna tell me that's not enough. That's more than enough. So I truly recommend these specifically for that cool view that you got with the texture. I'm not gonna stop talking about that because that's really what buys me into this whole website. So if you're interested in any of the contact lenses that I did show you, specifically the ones that I did show you, I'm gonna have the links in the description down below along with the link to the website. Also, if those discounts were not enough, which I mean, I don't know how many pairs you're trying to buy, but if those were not enough, you also get a 20% discount with the code I'm gonna be leaving right here and in the description down below. So I am really happy with today's video, and with all of that said, I'm gonna be closing up this video. Of course, don't forget that everything will be in the description down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram as Zavala, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.